When you see her the way that she was, all you want to do is fix her straight away. There's not a lot I can do, but I can clip her and make her comfortable. But yeah, it was pretty confronting and pretty shocking to see a dog in that bad a condition.
Hello, beautiful girl. Was it nice to be able to see you again?
Not much is known about Daisy's background, but clearly she's severely traumatised.
I know that's a bit slaughter, isn't it? We'll stop that.
Being in the state that she's in, she's quite shut down, and that's why she's standing there quite still, because she's just scared.
Such a good girl. Might need a bit of a pat, but
we're just trying to do it very slowly because obviously the mats are really tight to her skin, especially with the feet because they're quite bad.
it's all right, sweetheart. I know that one hurts. I'm sorry.
Seeing a dog in such distress is all the more heartbreaking, knowing it can be avoided.
Call the clinics, ask for help, because there's no need for a dog to get into that state. It's just not fair on them. And if it's a financial thing, just please ask for help, because there's people there like us that will help you. You want to have a break? Can you have a break? I need a break. I need an emotional break.